Onions are one of the most widely grown and consumed vegetables in the world, with an annual global production exceeding 93 million tons. But have you ever wondered how farmers and food industries manage such an enormous volume while ensuring efficiency, quality, and food safety? The answer lies in the integration of advanced agricultural and industrial technologies, which optimize every stage of the production chain, from planting and cultivation in the fields to harvesting, processing, sorting, packaging, and large-scale distribution. Each step is carefully designed to maximize yield, reduce waste, and deliver fresh, high-quality onions to markets worldwide. Onions are typically grown from seeds, sets, or transplants, and their cultivation requires a meticulous approach to soil management, irrigation, and pest control. The quality of the soil is crucial, as onions thrive in well-drained, loose soil, rich in organic matter. Farmers often rotate crops to maintain soil health and prevent the buildup of diseases and pests that could compromise the harvest. Irrigation is another critical factor. Too much water can cause rot and disease, while too little can result in smaller, lower-quality onions. Drip irrigation systems are commonly used to provide a steady, controlled amount of water, ensuring that the onions grow evenly and reach optimal size. To protect crops from pests and diseases, modern onion farms use integrated pest management, which combines biological controls, natural predators, and selective pesticide use to minimize environmental impact. Additionally, advancements in genetically improved seed varieties have led to onions that are more resistant to common diseases, extending their shelf life and improving overall yield. When onions reach maturity, which is typically indicated by the top foliage falling over and beginning to dry, they are ready for harvest. In the past, onion harvesting was labor-intensive and required extensive manual work. However, modern farming relies on high-efficiency mechanical harvesters, which can uproot, clean, and collect onions in a single pass through the field. These machines are equipped with digger blades that carefully slice through the soil, lifting the onions to the surface while minimizing damage to the roots. Once lifted, conveyor systems transport the onions gently to prevent bruising and remove excess soil and debris. Built-in air blowers and rotating brushes further clean the onions before they are deposited into large storage bins or trailers attached to the harvester. One of the key benefits of mechanical harvesting is speed and efficiency. These machines can cover vast fields in a fraction of the time it would take manual laborers, reducing the risk of spoilage and ensuring that onions are harvested at their peak freshness. Additionally, some modern harvesters are equipped with smart sensors and GPS-guided technology, allowing farmers to optimize harvesting patterns and maximize their yield. Once harvested, onions are transported from the fields to processing factories, where they undergo multiple cleaning and sorting stages. The first step upon arrival is unloading the onions into large receiving bins, where they are then transferred onto conveyor belts that carry them through an initial cleaning phase. This stage involves removing any remaining soil, debris, and loose outer skins. Specialized conveyor belts with perforations allow smaller debris to fall through while keeping the onions on top. High-pressure air blowers and rotating brushes work together to ensure that the onions are as clean as possible before they move on to further processing. After cleaning, onions proceed to the sorting and grading stage, where advanced optical sensors and AI-powered sorting machines analyze each onion based on size, shape, and quality. These machines can detect defects, blemishes, or irregularities, and separate onions that do not meet strict quality standards. Proper sorting ensures uniformity in the final product and helps in directing onions to different processing lines, depending on their intended use. For example, perfectly shaped onions might be packaged whole for retail, while slightly misshapen or blemished onions may be directed toward dehydration, frying, or other processing methods. For onions that are destined for pre-cut and processed products, peeling and slicing are essential steps. Traditional peeling methods were labor-intensive and inefficient, but modern onion processing facilities use high-speed mechanical peelers that employ abrasive surfaces, steam, or rotating blades to remove the outer layers quickly and effectively. Onions then move to cutting stations, where precision slicers create diced, sliced, or ring-shaped onion products, depending on their intended use. This level of processing is particularly valuable for restaurants, food service industries, and consumers looking for convenience. Once the onions are prepared, they undergo advanced packaging techniques to ensure freshness and longevity. Packaging methods vary based on the type of onion product, including bulk packaging in mesh or burlap bags for wholesale distribution, consumer packaging in smaller mesh or plastic bags, vacuum-sealed bags for pre-cut onions to extend shelf life, and resealable plastic pouches to maintain freshness after opening. Large-scale facilities also utilize automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, to transport packaged onions to different areas of the warehouse or loading docks, further enhancing operational efficiency. Before reaching consumers, processed onions undergo final inspections, where automated machines and human workers check for defects, proper sealing, and freshness. Labeling and date coding machines ensure that each package meets regulatory requirements before being shipped to supermarkets, restaurants, and food manufacturers around the world. From the vast onion fields to state-of-the-art factories, every step of the process is designed to ensure that onions arrive fresh, safe, and ready to use. As global demand for onions continues to grow, ongoing innovation in farming and food processing technology remains vital for meeting market needs efficiently and sustainably. Next time you cook with onions, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey they have taken from the fields to your table, thanks to cutting-edge technology and modern agricultural advancements.